Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 BMW 328i. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the latest in technological innovation and style. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. BMW prioritized handling and performance with features such as leather upholstery, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic dimming door mirrors, heated seats, rain-sensing wipers, and cruise control. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.